Hi, welcome to our online video series on learning to use your mobile devices. My name is Cassandra.
And I'm Cade, and we're from Neonet's TechSocial program.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to alter the display settings to better suit your needs of your Apple or Android device.
The resources for this video can be found in Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or by clicking the link below.
One of the ways in which you can personalize your mobile device is to change the background image or sounds.
Remember, you can access settings by tapping the icon from your home screen or in your app drawer for Android users.
Let's start with Apple. Wallpaper. Tap the settings icon from the home screen, then tap Wallpaper. Tap Choose New Wallpaper. Tap Dynamic or Stills to view the built-in wallpapers on your iPhone or choose a picture on your device. Tap the image you would like to select to open in full screen view and then tap to set to apply the wallpaper. You have the option to set it to lock screen, home screen, or both. To exit without changing, press Cancel. If you're already looking at pictures in the Photo app, you can set any picture as the wallpaper without going into settings. Simply select the picture, tap the Share button in the bottom left corner, then select Use as Wallpaper. Display and brightness. If you're having difficulty viewing your device's screen, you may want to adjust the screen brightness. Decreasing the screen brightness will also help save battery life. From the display and brightness setting, drag the slider to increase or decrease the brightness. You can also change this at any time by swiping up from the bottom of your screen to access the control center. Zoom. Display zoom also allows iPhone users to have their display zoomed in. Icons, text, and other applications will appear larger, making it easier to read. Another feature is text size. Here you can adjust how big or small you would like the font to appear on your Apple device. There are several more text sizes available in the accessibility section of the settings.
Now on to Android. Wallpaper. Long press any empty part of the home screen. The empty part is any place you don't see a shortcut icon or widget. For a long press, touch the screen and keep your finger down. A wallpaper menu will appear. You can also set the wallpaper from the Settings app. Choose Display, and then choose Wallpaper when prompted. Choose the home screen or the lock screen. Setting the lock screen wallpaper is not possible on some tablets. You may also find an option to set both with the same image. Choose the wallpaper type. 3 options are available. Gallery. A still image from the Gallery app. Browse the albums to choose an image. Crop the image to select the portion you want to put on the home screen. Live. Animated or interactive wallpaper from a list. Live wallpaper features some form of animation, which can often be interactive. Otherwise, the wallpaper image scrolls slightly as you swipe from one side of the home screen to another. Wallpaper. Choose an image from the wide range pre-installed on the device. Crop the image to your choosing, then touch the Done or Set Wallpaper button to confirm your selection. You're done. The new wallpaper takes over the screen. Display and brightness. If you're having difficulty viewing your device's screen, you may want to adjust the screen brightness. Decreasing the screen brightness will also help save battery life. Swipe down from the top of the screen to reveal the notification shade. Depending on which Android phone you have, you may have to swipe twice. Tap and hold the brightness slider. It's the icon that looks like the sun. Drag the brightness slider to your desired brightness. When you've selected your preferred brightness, press Done and exit out of notification shade. Magnify. Tap Settings, then scroll down and tap Accessibility. Note, these steps will vary depending on the make and model of your Android phone. Tap Magnification Gestures, then flip the switch at the top of the screen to On. Now, try this. Go back to your home screen, then triple tap the display with one finger. Zoom. Next, pan around the screen with 3 digits on the display at once. To boost or reduce magnification, pinch the screen with 2 fingers. To go back to normal, triple tap the display with 1 finger to turn off the magnification.
We hope this video has helped answer some of your questions about how to alter the display settings to better suit your needs of your Apple or Android device. For more information, see Module 1 on our website at neonet.on.ca or click on the link below.
We would like to thank the Ontario Trillium Foundation, the Ontario Seniors Community Grant, and the Timmins Venture Centre for funding this program and these videos. Thank you for watching.